the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the AUKEY OTG Type-C adapter. So I got this today from Amazon. I paid $6.49 for this, and I paid $11 shipping because I didn't have Prime. So if you guys have Prime, you guys will get free shipping anyway. So I did not have Prime at the time, so I paid $11 for it to get here in 2 days. So this is what it looks like here. Small packaging, which is pretty interesting. I thought it'd be a bit bigger than this, but it comes in this nice packaging, nice presentation. You guys have the branding right there, the AUKEY. It says USB 3.0 A to C adapter. There's a picture of the device right there. It says Go Green with AUKEY there. It's from recycled paper, so that's nice. Or fiber or whatever this thing is made of, and you guys have the back. You guys have the company and all that, where it's from China. This is from China, and you guys have the model number CB-A1. So y'all guys just slide it to the left or right to unbox it. You guys have the warranty card. Nice little holographic thing there. It looks pretty nice. Turn over, you guys have the AUKEY, and it says y'all guys get a 2-year warranty, which is a win. But you guys have to register your device, register your product on their website. A link to that will be in the description box. Also, a link to purchase this will also be in the link below. So go check it out. And you guys can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay. You guys get a user manual, which I don't think anyone will be reading this. And you guys get 2 USB-C OTG dongles here. They're fucking small as hell, but powerful as hell as well. Y'all guys can do a lot of things with this little guy here. Y'all guys can plug up keyboards, mice, microphones, game controllers. Y'all guys can charge smartphones, tablets, plug up thumb drives, flash drives, anything that is USB powered. This little guy can do it. So that is a win. There's the thing here. It has the AUKEY brand in there. It's red one. It also has the plastic on it. It has the Type-C side right here and the USB-C side right here. So you guys can plug a lot of stuff. This thing is so fucking powerful, and the possibilities are endless with this thing. So there you guys have the AUKEY OTG Type-C adapter. $6.49 on Amazon. So if you guys want to check it out, go check out the description box below. So, and shout out to AUKEY for offering a 2-year warranty. So shout out to them for that, because 2-year warranty is great. So yeah, you guys have the AUKEY OTG Type-C adapter. So yeah, so far I like this thing. I'm trying to get it back in the box here. So yeah, nice compact packaging. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.